Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a research paper. Okay, this is a sample research paper. Okay, it lets you to prepare yours. For example, you have to write the university name over here first. Okay, if there is a faculty, you have to type the faculty name. For example, my faculty is Faculty of Informatics, and then the department below. Okay, here you have to write the name of your title. Okay, project title. Here who are the project members. Okay, instead of writing number 1 Ubit, number 2 Dagem, number 3 Freewot, number 4 Hagos. Okay, it is not a formal way. Okay, the formal way is separating the group members by comma. Okay, number separating the group members by number is not allowed in project paper. Here is the standard one. Okay, after that write the year. Okay, and then the university name, and then the location of yours. Okay, the location of you, it must be written, and then finally the advisor name, okay, must be written. After that authentication of your work. Okay, they wrote authentication of their work. That means they didn't plagiarize from someone. Okay, but they have reviewed someone's literature. Okay, but they didn't copy or plagiarize someone's project paper. That's why they write authentication of their work. They can write their name over here in date of the submission. Their advisor can declare that their work is genuine. Okay, over here on the defense, okay, the chairperson might be the dean or the faculty head or the faculty dean can sign and write date over here. Okay, here is the place. Okay, after that the acknowledgement part, the group members can acknowledge or giving gratitude to their families, their advisors, okay, their friends, the department heads, okay, that they help while they are writing their project paper. Okay, sometimes we have to acknowledge the companies that give us necessary information. Okay, here is the acknowledgement part. There is a list of abbreviations and acronyms. Okay, abbreviations like this one, as you know, must be clear for the reader. Okay, so DBMS by itself, it doesn't have a meaning. So over here, database management system, like this, those abbreviations are defined by their acronyms. Okay, now if you have a table, you have to write the tables over here. I will show you later. Okay, if you have a list of tables, you can write by using tab. Okay, instead of writing manually, we have tabs. Okay, it helps us to write figures and tables. Finally, you will have a table of contents. Most of the students do it by manually. Okay, so it is not a correct way. So I will show you how to prepare a table of contents automatically. Okay, so now let us begin a chapter. Okay, from the research paper that I get from the department. Okay, let me choose the content of the chapters. Is not your concern. Okay, for example, the video, the viewers of my video will be social science students or natural science students. Okay, I'm not preparing for natural science students or social, but I prepare to both students. Okay, I'm showing you the method. Okay, don't care about the content of the research paper or project paper. Okay, let me show you simply taking the subchapters and chapters. We can write some let me take it again. Let me take it from chapter 1. Yeah, as I stated, it is sample project. Okay, chapter 1. Let me remove this one first. I don't need it. Inside the chapters, we will create sample notes on it. Okay, I think some of you know about how to get a random text, okay, using random function. Okay, first enter. Okay, I don't need the number 2 here. I don't need this one. I don't need it. You have to do it again. I only need the chapters and the subchapters. Okay, on introduction part, let me write some notice that is not related with the chapters. For example, 10. Okay, it gives me some notice. Okay, on the introduction part, on background of the study, let me copy and paste. Okay, we don't need this one. And now we justify. Yes. Okay, background of the station again. Let me use this one again. Copy background of the organization like this one. What was the problem? Let me put this one. Objective for the system. Let me write this one again. General objective. This one. I'm going to show you how to give a header. Okay. Don't care about the content. Okay, so now let us go to chapter 2. Okay, it is advisable to begin a new chapter with a new page. Okay, unless you have a more huge or huge pages. Okay, use every time you have to begin a new chapter with a new page, unless you have more spaces. Okay, let me write it again. Random text 1,5 to fill this page. Okay, now let us go to chapter 2 now. The content part. Yes, okay, let us go to chapter 2 again, as I did before. Sample. Here is the place for my chapter 2. Again, I have to remove this one. Okay, below this one, let me copy the previous one. Okay, I don't need it. As I told you, this is sample project. Okay, justify it to make it uniform. Yes. Okay, I have more space, so I don't have to omit. I have to use this space. Okay, so let me go to content page again, and let me select chapter 3 until this part. I don't need a whole. Okay, for example, is enough until 3.3 is enough. I think it's enough for to save your time. Okay, paste it over here again. Remove as a whole. We need only the chapters and subchapters. Okay, the numbers we will see it again, doesn't matter. Okay, we don't need okay, this one, tab, clear all, here, yes. Okay, business area, let me copy. Assume that copying and pasting means that is your document. Okay, definition. Under introduction there is something, business area there is something, yes. Analysis there is something, current system there is something. Okay, let me current system, forms and systems, there will be something here again. Put something here, requirement definition, the final one. Okay, okay, okay. Now here is our project paper. Okay, okay. Chapters will be center. Okay, okay, let us bold our chapters, okay, and sub chapters to differentiate from the main documents. Okay, here are the titles. Let me bold. Title must be put in center and bold. Bold again. This one must be center and bold. This one must be again bold, bold. Yeah, to differentiate. Here is the last one, bold. Okay, okay, so now first let us before go to giving a page number, let us give a heading and table of contents. Okay, first of all let us give a heading. Okay, before giving outline number, let us give it a header. What I am going to do is first I have to select the control button from the keyboard. Okay, press the control button and then select chapter 1, introduction, background organization. Okay, all chapters and sub-chapters must be selected. Okay, to give heading and outline number. Okay, let us give them one by one. Objective of the system, general objective, specific objective, and then chapter 2, survey of technologies, usage of server-side ranking. Okay, chapter 3, definition, introduction, business area analysis must be selected, but don't remove your finger from the control button unless you have finished or you finish the selecting all chapters and subchapters. Okay, don't remove your finger from the control button from the keyboard. I think I'm finishing the selecting the headers and chapters. Now you can remove your finger from the keyboard and go to the heading. Okay, and then select heading 1, heading 2, as you wish, doesn't matter. Heading 1, for example. Okay, it gives the headings. Okay, now you can change the color of the headers. Okay, then let us go to again chapter 1. Okay, we'll prepare this one, doesn't matter. Okay, chapter 1 must be center. Chapter 2 again, it must be this one. Chapter 2, yes. Chapter 3 must be center. Finished. So okay, before that let me go again, selecting those all pages. Let me give them a header. Okay, selected. Yes, let us go to the multi-level list. Okay, because it's have chapters and subchapters. Okay, instead of this one, these numbers are only numbers. Okay, but I need sub numbers. So instead of numbering, I have to go to multi-level list or outline numbering. Okay, so let me see one by one. This one has to be center. Okay, now we give a heading. Okay, but let me check all of them with the template that I have. Okay, let me go to the content. Okay, chapter 1, for example. Chapter 1, there is no number on it, but introduction is 1. Okay, let me see it. Introduction 1, so remove this one first, and then introduction is 1. Okay, it becomes 1. Okay, now what is background of the organization? 1.1. Okay, 1.1 background. Okay, what about introduction? Introduction is, I think, 1. Yes, introduction is 1. Background of the organization and statement of the problem is 1.2. Okay, what you're gonna do is you can click on the number and then you can tap from the keyboard either, or you can use increase indent or decrease indent. Okay, we can, but for time being we use increase indent. Okay, amazing. Introduction is 1. What about background of organization? Click on it again. 1.1. It is 1. So the inside the introduction there is background of organization. Statement of the problem is 1.2. Okay, now objective of the system gonna be 1.3. So 1.3. Yes, I click 1 times. General objective and specific objective 1.3.1. So that means 1 once, twice. Okay, I get 1.31. Again, click on the number first, and then click once, twice, until you get the sub number. Okay. Okay, chapter 2. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Chapter 2, Survey of Technologies. Let me check it. Chapter 2, Survey of Technologies 2. Yeah, so I remove a number from chapter 2. Okay, so Survey of Technologies becomes number 2. Okay. Okay. 2.1 usage. Okay, 2.1 usage. So that means again tab it or increase indent. Okay, now we are in chapter 3. Okay, remove it this one and make it this center. Business area analysis means 3. Introduction in business 3.1, 3.2. Okay, this one is 3. Introduction is 3.1. Business area analysis is 3.2, I think. Yes. A detailed analysis 3.21 because it is under business area analysis. Detailed analysis is once, click twice. Okay, until you get 3.21. Okay, what is next? Current system. What is current system? Current system 3.22. Okay, once, twice. Okay, because it is under business area analysis, there is retail analysis 3.1 and current system 3.22. Okay, forms and reports. Let me take from the actual project paper. Forms is 3.23. Okay, once, twice. Okay, what is next? Players of the existing system. Click on it and go to players of the existing system. Where are they? 3.24. Okay, click once, twice. Okay, what is next? The last one, the requirement definition. I think it's this 3.2. Let me see, requirement definition. Yeah, 3.3. Tab. It's enough. If you decrease indent, you can click this one. If you want to increase indent, click this one. Okay, if you have sub topics, click this one. Have you seen? Until you get, but for time being we need 3.3, so decrease indent until 3.3. It is enough. Okay, have you seen? We have sub chapters and chapters. Okay, let me make it time New Roman. Okay, you can bold the title, or you can underline and you can underline again, or you can own it. Doesn't matter, as you wish. Okay, let us make this one center. Okay, chapter 3. Okay, if you have more spaces, as I told you, you have to use empty spaces. Okay, unless it is a little space, if it is a big or it is a big space, you have to use it. Okay, if it is like a small space like this, you can proceed to the next chapter, or you can start a new chapter with a new page. Okay, now let us check the headings and subheadings with I'm on the home menu bar. So let me go to the view bar and let me check this navigation pane. Okay, that in order to check my headings are correct or not. Have you seen the headings? If you have 100 or more than 100 pages, You don't have to find every chapters and every sub-chapters one by one like this, okay? Instead, the navigation pane navigates to the chapter or sub-chapter that you want to edit, okay, or format it. For example, let me click on general objective. Have you seen? It takes me to the general objective part. Let me go to introduction part. Have you seen? It takes me. That is the point, that the heading part or home menu, the heading part and the outline number or multi-level list helps me to do so. Okay, let me go again to view part. Have you seen? For example, let me go to the requirement definition. Have you seen? It takes me easily and quickly. Okay, chapter 3. Have you seen? It takes me to chapter 3, and I can edit everything that I want to edit it. Okay, here is a concept behind styles or heading and multi-level list objective system over here. Okay, let me close this one. So now, for example, on their research paper, there are around 4 or 5 chapters, okay, including recommendation and conclusion. Okay, references I will show you at last. Okay, but 4, 5, 6 chapters, you can do it like as I did for those chapters. Okay, it is easy. To keep or to save our time, I didn't go to chapter 4 and chapter 5. Okay, that's easy. I told you the concept. Okay, now let us insert a page number now. Okay, after that before that, let us insert a table of content. Okay, based on the table of content needs this one, heading and multi-level list. Okay, unless there is no table of content, if you don't write or prepare heading and multi-level list. Okay, let us go to blank space that we put or you prepare for table of contents. Okay, here it is. Click over blank space over here. Okay, we are going to insert table of contents. Now, to insert table of contents, automatically go to references. Okay, go to references. There is a table of contents here. Okay, so select this one as you wish. You can automatic table as you see, automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table. We don't need manual table. Okay, I can either use this one or this one. I choose number 2, for example. Have you seen? No need of writing page number. Okay, no need of writing those contents. Okay, chapters and subchapters, but table of contents grab or grabs or takes those pages and page numbers and those chapters and subchapters from the existing chapter. Okay, this is inserting a table of content manually. Okay, here it is. Okay, page numbers, I didn't give a page number, but it counts page number by default. Okay, but I will give a page number again, especially specific page number from a specific page. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, first let me okay, before that let me insert a list of table and list of figures. Okay, for example, here I have list of figures over here. You see, this is the actual project paper. It has 103 pages. Okay, it has around 5 figures. Okay, class diagram, UML diagram, something. Okay, and it has a list of tables. Okay, let me show you how to prepare a list of table and list of figures. Okay, if you have more list of figure and list of tables like the project paper that I show you, like this one, you can give a one page. Okay, for sample for time being, I will show you a half page. Okay, half of a page. For example, table of table 3.1 description. Okay, what you're gonna do is click on it over here and go to home menu, then go to paragraph. Okay, after paragraph, go to tabs and then give inch. For example, let me give a 6 inch. Okay, don't change this default tab. Okay, this is the default tab stops, don't change this one. Okay, let me use, there are around 4 radio buttons. Okay, I choose this radio button number 2. Okay, set it. Okay, and then from the keyboard click or hit the button tab. Have you seen? And then you can give the page number that login use case description is there. For example, number 5. Hit enter. Okay, let me bring the table list of table. Okay, this one, let me take this one as an example. Okay, let me enter here and then tab it. Okay, tab from the keyboard. If it is found in page number 7, put page number 7, paste it. If it assume it is table 3.3, okay, click over here and tab it. Okay, tab and give number 9 if it is found in number 9. Okay, like this one. The main thing is go to tab. Some students, let me show you, some students use the keyboard button that contains dot button like this one. Okay, dot 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 dot. No, it is not a standard way of making a research paper. Okay, it is killing your time. If you have 10 or more these things, dot 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 is killing your time. Okay, it's not advisable. Okay, let me show you the figures part. Okay, it is the same. Okay, again go to paragraph by this down arrow. Okay, click on it, go to tabs, again give 6 inch to make it uniform. Okay, let us select this one, radio button, set it. Okay, and then tab. Okay, give a page number again. Okay, again copy this one, assume this is over here, and then tab it. Okay, tab. If use diagram for administrator instead of user, make it a user. Put number, page number. Okay, so these numbers indicate page numbers. Okay, page numbers. Okay, now we have finished. Giving table of contents. Table of contents, list of figures, list of tables. Okay, now let us give a page number now. Okay, first of all, let us give a page number first from the first page. Okay, you can use a footer or you can use a page number. Okay, okay, I want to use the bottom of page. Okay, let me choose the middle one. Have you seen? It gives me all pages for the entire pages. Okay, okay. I have around 12 pages. Okay, now let me adjust some notes. Okay, and list of abbreviation, let me hit enter. Okay, let me make it this one center. Okay, Okay. Okay, now let me make it this one to the right again, this one to right. Okay, now I have page numbers. Okay, okay, but now I want to give a specific page number from a specific page. Okay, for example, I want to give page number from here. Okay, from chapter 1. Okay, the rest I will give Roman numbers. Okay, so what I gonna do is click over here, okay, for chapter 1, and then go to layout. Okay, after layout go to breaks, and then after breaks go to next page. Okay, after next page link this one to the previous. Okay, link to the previous, and then I start this number, format page number, and then start at 1. Okay, instead of page 8, start at 1. Have you seen the rest pages become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. Okay, until page 6. Okay, why do I link to the previous? I want to begin any page number from 1. Okay, the rest will be deleted. Okay, when I delete this one, the page number found in chapter 1 will not be deleted because I link it to previous. Have you seen? Okay, so now go to navigation pane, and then instead of headings, now pages. Okay, I will delete the unnecessary part. Okay, delete it. Yes, now come to this one. Yeah, it remains constant. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is let us go to the first page again. Okay, and then here I want to give a page number again. I'm going to give a Roman number. Okay, page number, page number, go to bottom of page, give this one, but instead of 1, select format page numbers. Okay, instead of Roman number, Hindu Arabic, make it Roman number. Okay, have you seen it start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but here is Roman Hindu Arabic number or natural number. Okay, because I break the page. Okay, again I have to remove the page number from the cover page. Okay, because cover page has no page number. What I'm gonna do is, again as I did for chapter 1, click over here. Okay, click over here, and go to layout again, breaks. Okay, next page. Okay, it doesn't move. Next page, so click over here and link to previous. So I can start this one, go to page, then click on page number. I can start format, go to format page number, start at, instead of 2, start at 1. Okay, have you seen it starts from 1? So I can delete the page number from the cover page. Okay, have you seen those are remain constant? Let me bold it. In order to see the effect. Okay, Have you seen? The page number starts from here. Authentication of because the cover page has no or paper or page number or doesn't contain page numbers. Okay, have you seen 2, 3, 4, 5? But here it comes 1. Okay, because I break the page. All right. For footer part, for header part, I have no header part for time being, but you can link to the previous as I did for the footer part. Okay, it's easy. If you have, for example, you can write the St. Hubert University something on the header part. Okay, so if you want to put the header part only on the authentication of work and the rest of pages, you can link to the previous and delete from the cover page. Okay, or you can put it, doesn't matter. Okay, here is giving a specific giving a page number for a whole page is not a big deal, but giving a specific page number for a specific page is somehow difficult. So here is a method, okay, to do so. Okay, for example, let me add again a border. Okay, okay guys, here is art over here. So on research paper, don't insert those ice creams, apples or something, ice creams or leaves, trees, okay, candies on the project paper, because it is not formal. Okay, it is not formal. This one is used for birthday party or elementary students paper. Okay, the formal paper must include this solid line. Okay, solid line. Yeah, no need of candies or trees like this one. This one is for children. Okay, instead of whole document, this section. Okay, if you need to the first page, this section, this first page only. Okay, select this one. Okay, have you seen? The border is only on cover page, but the rest has no border. Okay, we have finished assigning table of content, list of figures. This one is done by tabs, whereas this one is done by reference. Okay, as I showed you, go to reference and then simply select table of content. But before preparing table of content, you have to prepare, or you have to write every headings like this one, every chapters and subchapters. First, by heading, select the whole subchapters and chapters, and then make heading 1, heading 2, okay, and then go to outline numbering or multi-level list. Okay, so now what left? We have seen cover page, table of contents, acknowledgements, list of table or figures. Okay, how to give a specific page number to specific page. Okay, heading, page number. Okay, let us see now footnote. Okay, footnote means it is a definition or giving a clue for reader. Okay, for example, let videos for example embedded code. For example, embedded code. For example, I want to elaborate embedded code. Okay, what I'm going to do is go to reference and then click on this arrow and then insert equally endnote or footnote, but I need footnote. Okay, bottom of page or below a text. You can use one of them, and then you can insert. And then have you seen embedded code? Embedded code means I'm writing or I'm clarifying embedded code to the reader. Okay, footnote means used to clarify or elaborate something to the reader that makes easy to understand your project paper. Okay, embedded code means something, for example, written by the programmer, for example. Okay, it's not the right concept, but I'm telling you how to insert a footnote. For example, it is Roman, Hindu, Arabic number. This one is Hindu. If you want to change by letter or by Arabic number or anything or any symbols, what you're gonna do is click first. Let me say it again. First, go to click over here, okay, or click over here. Go to this arrow, diagonal arrow, and then go to ABC 1 2 3. Instead of 1 2 3, you can change by this one, okay. If you insert, it will insert another footnote, okay. Instead of inserting, I want to change number into letters, okay. So I want to say apply. I have to say apply, okay. But if I want to insert another footnote, for example, if I want to add another footnote, let me click on design. For example, I want to clarify design. Again, go to footnotes, okay, then below text ABC, okay, insert. Have you seen? I can type design is blah 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 blah, okay. You can clarify your concept, blah 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 blah, okay, like this one. But if you want to change letters to numbers or numbers to letters, you have to change like this one. For example, like this one. Don't click on insert. Insert means inserting another footnote, but instead apply. Have you seen? It changes to Roman number. Okay, here is a footnote. Okay, now at last we will see the citation. Okay, most of the students again insert the citation manually. Okay, don't do that. Let me show you how to insert a citation on your research paper. Okay, click on assume here is the last page of your document. Okay, so click here. Let me use a blank page. Here is the reference. Okay, so what you're gonna do is first go to reference, okay, then insert citation, okay, add new source, okay, you click add new source. Okay, what type of research paper have you reviewed? Okay, was it a book? Was it a book session, journal article, website, report? Have you seen? Document, art, everything. For example, let me begin from a book. For example, you have to write author. Author is Dayton. Okay, title, programming, fundamentals of programming, year, any arbitrary year, 2012, city, Chicago, publisher, Navneet, for example. You can show all bibliography fields, okay, state or province if you know it, New York, something, I don't know, country, USA, editor, if you know the editor, you can write G, I don't know, the volume, have you seen? There are a lot of bibliography fields. Number of volumes 3, 2, doesn't matter. Translator, standard number, pages, how many pages have you researched? For example, 38 to 45 edition, 4th edition, and the like. When you finish, okay, say okay. Okay. uh, for example, what I missed is you have to bibliography. Okay, let me go to bibliography. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me go again. Insert the citation, add a new source again. For example, instead of book, let me see a website again. Website, for example, web page www dot komodo.com. The website Komodo, year 2021, new website, month January, for example. Okay, day 6, URL, for example, this one is URL, for example, https komodo.com. If you need more bibliography fields, you can check this checkbox. Okay, year accessed 2022, for example. Month accessed, you can type any May or something. Okay, day, if you need those fields, you can write them up. All right. Okay, if you again go to citation, if you want to add book section or journal article or conference proceedings, okay, that means the discussion. Okay, title was how to design a website. About title pages 50 up to 56, for example, year 2021. Conference publication name, artificial intelligence, for example, artificial intelligence, how to design a robot. Okay, artificial city Stockholm. If you know the publisher, you can write. If you don't know, you can leave. Okay, here is it. Okay, you have researched, or you have reviewed 3 research papers. Okay, after finishing that, you have to go to bibliography, and then you have around 3 alternatives. So you refer some research papers, so you have to select references. Okay, have you seen? Instead of writing, it will give you the standard reference writing style. Okay, have you seen? Here is referencing style, or writing reference in a standard form. Okay, let me add something useful for you. For example, how to write standards for preparing senior project paper. Okay, first of all, your font size will be 12. Okay, line spacing, line and paragraph spacing, yes, line and paragraph spacing will be 1.5, that means one space. Okay, your font style will be times New Roman. Okay, here is the key to prepare research paper. Okay, I think I'm done. Here is some tips to prepare a research paper. Okay, you can view this video and I will share you by Telegram, and you can ask me after viewing this video. Okay, I'm Zeriabrook Adarra. I'm instructor at St. Mary University. Okay, thank you for your attention. Have a good time. Thank you.